Inside your head is something astonishing: the human brain. Weighing just 3 pounds, it's the most complex object we know. This organ generates every thought, dream, and memory. It even creates your sense of self. The brain is a universe within, bustling with unseen activity. How does this lump of tissue give rise to language, music, love, or curiosity about the stars? We're only beginning to understand its immense capabilities. Your brain performs more calculations per second than all the world's computers, using less power than a dim light bulb. It's the pilot of your body and the architect of your reality. So let's embark on a journey into this enigmatic powerhouse. We'll explore its hidden powers and mind-blowing mysteries. The brain is not just an organ, it's the essence of being human. To understand it is to understand ourselves. And there's so much more to discover. The adventure is just beginning. To grasp the brain's power, let's look at its structure. It's not a uniform mass, but a collection of specialized parts working together. The cerebrum, the largest part, is split into left and right hemispheres connected by the corpus callosum. The wrinkled cerebral cortex covers the cerebrum, packing in more processing power. This is where higher-level thinking, language, and sensory processing happen. Beneath lies the cerebellum, the little brain crucial for movement, balance, and skill learning. The brainstem connects everything to the spinal cord and controls vital functions like breathing and heart rate. Damage to any part has noticeable effects, showing every region's importance. These components, intricately connected, form the physical basis of our minds. The brain's architecture is a masterpiece of evolution. Each part has a role, but together, they create the symphony of human experience. This structure is the foundation for everything we think, feel, and do. Understanding it is the first step to unlocking the brain's secrets. Let's dive deeper into how it all works. The journey into the brain's inner workings continues. There's much more to uncover. The brain structure is fascinating, but how does it work? The answer lies in its specialized cells, neurons. You have about 86 billion neurons, each acting like a tiny computer. Neurons receive, process, and send signals, both electrical and chemical. They connect through synapses, forming a vast, intricate network. The number of possible connections in your brain exceeds the stars in our galaxy. This network is where learning, memory, and thought emerge. When a neuron fires, it sends an electrical pulse down its axon. At the synapse, it releases neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that cross to the next neuron. This chain reaction, happening billions of times a second, is the brain's language. Some neurotransmitters excite neurons, others inhibit them, maintaining a delicate balance. This balance is crucial for normal brain function. From reflexes to complex decisions, it's all an electrochemical symphony. The brain's operations are both elegant and astonishingly complex. This is the machinery behind every thought and action. The human brain is capable of extraordinary things. Memory champions can recall entire decks of cards or thousands of digits of pi, often using techniques like the memory palace. Savants, sometimes with autism, display incredible talents, playing music after one hearing or solving complex math instantly. Daniel Tammet, for example, recited pi to over 22,000 digits and learned Icelandic in a week. These abilities hint at the brain's hidden capacities and unique wiring. Synesthesia is another marvel, where senses blend so music might be seen as colors or letters have tastes. This isn't imagination, it's a real perceptual experience, revealing the brain's interconnectedness. Such phenomena show that normal brain function is just one point on a vast spectrum. Extraordinary minds challenge our understanding and push the boundaries of possibility. They remind us the brain holds many secrets. These feats aren't just curiosities, they reveal the brain's flexibility. They inspire us to explore our own potential. The limits of the mind are still unknown. Each discovery opens new doors. The brain's mysteries are far from solved. There's always more to learn. One of the brain's deepest mysteries is consciousness. How does neural activity create our inner experience? We can map brain activity, but we don't know how it becomes the feeling of being me. The subjective quality of experience, called qualia, remains elusive. Is consciousness just an emergent property of complex networks or something more? Most neuroscientists believe it arises from the physical brain, but the exact mechanism is unknown. Despite advances, self-awareness is still a puzzle. Why do we have an inner voice or a sense of identity? Understanding consciousness is perhaps the ultimate scientific challenge. The quest to solve this mystery continues. You've probably heard the myth that we only use 10% of our brains. It's a persistent idea in pop culture, but it's simply not true. Brain scans show we use virtually all of our brain even during simple tasks. There are no dormant areas waiting to be awakened. Every part has a function, and damage to any area has real consequences. The myth's origins are unclear, perhaps from early research or self-help gurus. The idea of untapped potential is appealing, but it's a misunderstanding. The brain is efficient. Evolution wouldn't waste energy on unused tissue. While we don't have a secret 90% reserve, we can still improve. The brain is adaptable. We can learn and form new memories and enhance abilities. It's not about unlocking unused portions but optimizing what's already active. The real wonder is in the brain's existing complexity. Our potential lies in how we use and develop the brain we have. Science shows the whole brain is at work all the time. That's more amazing than any myth. Scientists once thought the adult brain was fixed. Now we know it's incredibly adaptable thanks to neuroplasticity. The brain can reorganize itself, forming new connections throughout life. Learning a new skill, like playing guitar, literally reshapes your brain. Practice strengthens connections, and can even grow brain regions. This adaptability is crucial for recovery from injury. Other areas can sometimes take over lost functions. Stroke patients, for example, can regain abilities through therapy. Neuroplasticity means our brains are dynamic, not static. We have more control over brain health than we once thought. Mental stimulation, learning, and healthy habits foster positive changes. The brain's capacity for change is one of its most remarkable features. It underscores our resilience and potential for growth. We're not stuck with the brain we're born with. Every day offers a chance to shape it. The future of brain science is thrilling. Technology is opening new ways to interact with the brain. Brain-computer interfaces let people control devices with their thoughts. Artificial intelligence helps us analyze complex brain data and may unlock new treatments. Some imagine a future where AI and human intelligence merge, raising profound questions. Mind uploading, transferring consciousness to a computer, remains science fiction, but some take it seriously. The technical and philosophical challenges are immense. We'd need to map every neuron and understand consciousness itself. These visions highlight the ambition of brain research. We aim to repair, enhance, and maybe even transcend our biological brains. The journey into the brain is also a journey into humanity's future. It's a path filled with promise and uncertainty. The possibilities are just beginning to unfold. We've journeyed through the landscape of the human brain. We've explored its structure, functions, and mysteries. For all we've learned, the brain remains an uncharted frontier. Every discovery opens new questions about dreams, memory, creativity, and emotion. The quest to understand the brain is one of humanity's grandest adventures. It requires collaboration across neuroscience, psychology, philosophy, and more. Our tools are improving, and our insights are deepening, but the journey is far from over. Let's keep our sense of wonder and keep asking bold questions. The brain is our most precious resource. It's the key to unlocking our full potential. The more we learn about this universe within, the more we learn about ourselves. The exploration of the brain is ultimately an exploration of what it means to be human.